Hi, today we're gonna make borscht. Borscht without meat, without sautéing. Very simple recipe, very fast. We'll get it done in half an hour. To make such a simple borscht, we'll naturally need cabbage, potatoes, carrots, onions, and fresh tomatoes, pureed into juice. So we'll be making a small portion. This pot is only 2 liters. We pour in 1.5 liters of water. We use 1 large potato, half a carrot, a small onion, and about 1/4 of a cabbage. And at the end we'll add a little garlic. So first we put the water on the stove and chop the veggies. We dice the potatoes. Like this, rather small. We grate the carrot on a grater. Next we chop the onion. The water, judging by the sound, is boiling, so we can toss the potatoes into the water. Right after them, we can add the carrots in there. And the onion. And while all this stuff continues to boil, we'll take care of the cabbage. We chop the cabbage, just like it's chopped for borscht. Here, in literally a minute, everything has already boiled while I finished cutting the cabbage. We'll cool the borscht down a bit. It's boiling with the cabbage. And we wait until it boils again. So our borscht is boiling. I said we'd get this borscht done in half an hour. We started, I didn't say it, but we started at 35 past, now it's 6 to. So it hasn't even been 20 minutes. Everything's boiling already. Only the final touch remains. We add a little bay leaf. You can see it, right? And a little garlic. We crush it. It's just for flavor. In there. And, of course, borscht should be red. So either tomato paste is used, or, like me, I am just going to use plain tomatoes. Somewhere around 250. Which means about half. Roughly. We stir it. And, basically, we wait another 10 minutes. And exactly half an hour. And our borscht is ready. So, the final touches. Now we'll add some salt. For a pot about this size, we'll add a teaspoon of salt. There. Pepper. Well, this is, of course, to taste, just like the salt. Regular black pepper. And I have some dried dill. For the looks, the taste, and the aroma, I like quite a lot. About this much. It'll cook down in there now and look different. That's it. Let it simmer covered for 5 more minutes, and our borscht is ready.